So your question in the discussion board, I'm guessing from law signs section, you don't indicate what section it's from. Satellites send a signal to two cellular towers, A and B, in two cities. Makes an angle of elevation 85 degrees with tower A and angle of 88 degrees with tower B. So here's tower A, here's tower B, and here's the satellite. It's not drawn proportional. This angle here is 85 degrees. This angle here is 88 degrees. What's the distance between the two cities, A and B? So use law signs. I need this angle here, third angle. Well, the sum of the three angles is 180 degrees. So if I take 180, these two angles from 180 degrees, I get 7 degrees. So it's not drawn very proportional. So here's the law of signs. Instead of calling it X, I'm calling it C here. Side C over angle C would equal side B over angle B, sine of angle B. So, side, I called that X. The angle here I found is 7 degrees. And I know this side and this angle, 1700 or 17,000 over sine of 88 degrees. Multiply each side by sine of 7 degrees. Very carefully put that in a calculator and get 2,073 miles. Hope this helps.